until they bloom. Like my first time living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do. No wonder we've been in love, even though it's such a love, baby. You know the pain is unbearable. Pinsan ay ikinamada, pag binibining may salamang ka. It's a malambig senso. Ikaw ay tila sinisama sa'yong di naluluma. Binig kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like that, like a shit. Oh my life. Hanggang sa tingin mo na ang oras mo'y lumipas na. Patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. At sa kiss mo na secret. Oh my life. Listen, if I can paint a perfect picture of the girl of my dreams with a curvy figure, voice of an angel like a symphony. Know that she is a masterpiece. No matter the color, you're beautiful. You're one of a kind, like a miracle. Hindi ka papano hanggang huling araw, maging kabilang buhay. Kau ay ikaw, your turn. No wonder we fell in love. Baby, I know this pain is unbearable. There's no way. Pinsan ay ikinamada, pinipiling may salamanda. It's a malambig senso. Ikaw ay tila sinisama sa'yong di naluluma. Binig kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like that, like a shit. Oh my life. Hanggang sa tingin mo na ang oras may lumipas na. Patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. At sa kiss mo happy secret day. Oh my life. Come on, make some noise for OPM! Kung nandito kayo para mag-enjoy at kung mahal nyo ang OPM, pagbilang ko ng 3, sisigaw kayo ng sobrang lakas. Kaya nyo ba yun? Kaya nyo ba yun? We'll see. On my count. Ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Sigaw! Yo, that's the way. One more time. One more time. Música en vida. Come on. Sigaw! 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 So in this one, at sa pagdating ng huling araw, huwag mag-alala. Naramdamay habang buhay nakamantya. That the world will never take away. After love, Música en vida, your turn. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw ay tila Bini. Come on, hit that note. Oh my. Kung sa tingin mo na ang oras mo'y lumipas na, patuloy. At sa kiss you every single day. Oh my love. Again, my name is Dionella. Thank you so much, everyone. Buhay ang musika.